Trucks are the timeless storytellers of the road, carrying not just loads but legacies that endure through decades of innovation and determination. The 1974 Diamond Reo Royale Cabover is celebrated as a remarkable piece of trucking history, embodying the robust craftsmanship and engineering excellence of its era. Introduced during a period of significant transformation in the trucking industry, this truck has been remembered as an icon of durability and style. Its design was tailored to meet the evolving demands of drivers while ensuring peak performance on long hauls. Diamond Reo, a brand established in the early 20th century, had built its reputation by producing reliable and high-performance trucks. By the 1970s, the Royale Cabover was being manufactured as a flagship model, showcasing cutting-edge features for its time. A sleek cabover configuration was adopted, which provided drivers with improved maneuverability and a commanding view of the road. This model was favored by operators, who required a truck capable of navigating tight, urban streets and enduring cross-country routes. The modifications made to the 1974 Royale Cabover included advancements in aerodynamics and drivetrain efficiency. The cab's design was engineered to reduce drag, which enhanced fuel economy and provided a smoother ride. The truck's powertrain options included reliable diesel engines, known for delivering consistent power and torque essential for heavy loads. Maintenance-friendly components were installed, ensuring that downtime was minimized for fleet operators. Inside the cab, the Royale offered a combination of practicality and comfort. A utilitarian dashboard layout was integrated, providing easy access to essential controls. Seating was designed to support drivers on extended journeys, and sufficient space was provided for storing tools and personal items. While luxury was not a priority during its production, the 1974 Royale Cabover introduced elements of driver-focused innovation that have inspired modern designs. The value of the 1974 Diamond Reo Royale Cabover has shifted significantly over time. Once considered a workhorse of the highways, it is now sought after by enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate its historical significance. Restored models are often valued at premium prices, depending on their condition and originality. The 1974 Diamond Reo Royale Cabover is not just a truck, but a symbol of an era defined by hard work, ingenuity, and resilience. It has been admired for its ability to stand the test of time, becoming a testament to the enduring legacy of American trucking. The story of this cabover resonates with those who cherish the evolution of transportation and the machines that made it possible.